Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Is another beautiful tutorial for you guys. If you are new here, you are welcome. For those that keep coming back, thank you so much. In case today is your first time, my name is Eukaria, YouTube name Black and Shine. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I make video on hair, gele makeup, vlog, and many other interesting videos you can find in this channel. So relax because we have a lot to learn. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing so that you become part of this great family. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use braiding hair to make wig at home. This is a DIY wig tutorial. So you can do this for yourself at home. The hair I'm using is Lush. I just divide the Lush into two, then cut one part into four. So you can just call it cut four. So after that, I did not bother to pick on the hair because I really want it to come out, looking very um fluffy. So guys, after that, you start crocheting the back of the hair. On this part of crochet, you don't need nets on the cap. All you need is just to crochet around the cap. Just keep crocheting as you can see on the screen. Another thing you should take note of is if you are crocheting this type of hair, whether short or long, please tight it very well. This will help it to be secured. And we are done with the crocheting of the hair. So I'm just kind of combing to know if the hair is the way I want it to be. So after that, it's time to coil this hair. What I'll be using to coil this hair is rollers. We all know rollers. You can buy this in the market, or you can use straw, or you can use other rolling material available at home. So all you need to do is to pick small quantity of the hair, then start rolling. I made two choices for you guys. You can either roll it the way you are seeing on the screen right now and use your bobby pin to secure it, or you use thread. I think the thread one is more will be more suitable for beginners. In case you are just starting, I think you should use the thread pattern, which you are going to also see here. It's a well detailed tutorial for you guys, so keep watching. So guys, remember, you are not supposed to cut the thread. You can just be using the thread like that. Any side that you want to work on, you can just extend the thread to that side. Once you finish rolling, just use the thread and tie it so that it will be secured. After that, remember to use the clip inside the rollers, to hold it down. That will make it to be very tight. So that is how you keep going, rolling until the hair is finished. So guys, it's time to soak the hair inside hot water. So you can use any hair conditioner of your choice, then soak the hair there. Soak and leave it for like 15 seconds. After that, allow the hair to dry very well. You can either sun it or use your hand dryer to blow dry it, but not high heat. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I believe you have learned something. If you do, kindly give your girl a big thumbs up. Share this video with others so that they can learn as well. Comment if you have any questions for me. Let's chat. Tell me what you think about this hair. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button so that you become part of this family. See you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.